The history of Hard Hill remains obscure, as little of the era regarding the Hard Hill was written down, or if it was, it did not survive. However, evidence of the gold era of the 1850s is still visible today. This is Hard Hill free camping. This is where the big MineLab competition is going to be held tomorrow. Martin, 1910 to 1989, who was the inspiration of having Hard Hill declared a tourist reserve. With the style and wit all of his own, he entertained thousands of school children and tourists with his stories of boomerang throwing, gold panning, and eucalyptus distilling. He was recognized as a living treasure. Day of competition, starting off with the breakfast right over there. Then we'll go through the rules and let the fun begin. So far, one token for me. They bury 150 in 2 fields. My husband Grant found lucky green token 78. Green tokens are what it takes to win this competition this year. So now we have 2 in the draw out of 100. Prizes. Coiltek demonstration.
You hear that change? I'll come this way.
This is camp oven cooking, which is really popular in Australia.
Reading the results from the other 3 heats, and these are the people that will progress to the other qualifying final.
Yes, you're the one that told me his name.
What?
You told me that was his name.
Oh, so we're on the game. I only got one.
Picking nuggets out of their pan.
It's all going way through. Look out, water flying everywhere. This is a pressure situation. Grand final. 2018 Wedderburn Gold Fields Championships. Let's see, we've got a bit more gravel in there. Let's sort the men from the boys.
Other way.
Junior metal detecting prizes, 2 tables, and a big bucket full of stuff. Lots of prizes for the juniors.
Well done, Pete. Congratulations. Thank you. Thanks, fellas.
Can you get 3 that come in here?
324. Brendan's a bit here. Welcome, Matt. Well done, Matt. Appreciate you coming. Moment.
Matt. Prize.
If you win again.
Green 87. Rod Rama. You might get right to stand at the end of the table.
Fines, you put them around your belt, you put your fines in there and your pinpointer and all that sort of stuff.
Picking up a few now, Matthew. Congrats, mate. No worries. Somewhere.